So the very next step of calculating different quantities of different construction items is, first of all, that we need to calculate the center to center length of the long walls and short walls for the rooms and veranda separately. Because the reason we are treating veranda and the room separately, because veranda is a completely different item, because it has no superstructure wall, but the rooms have superstructure wall. So these two categories are different. There are no superstructure wall, and there is superstructure wall. So we will have to treat the rooms and the veranda separately. So as we can see in this drawing, there are 3 short walls in the rooms, 3 short walls and 2 long walls in case of the rooms. And for the veranda, there are 2 short walls and 1 long wall. So we need to find out the center to center length of these walls separately. Okay. So first of all, let us come to the rooms, center to center length of the long walls. So first of all, let us try and find out the center to center length of the long walls for the rooms. So let us go to the drawing. This is long wall and this is also a long wall. So we need to find out the center. Both length are same. So we need to find center to center length of one wall. Suppose this wall, from the center of this wall to the center of this wall. That will be the center to center length of this long wall. So what will be this? This is given as 3.5. This thickness is 0.25 and this is 4. And up to the center point, it will be this whole thickness is 0.25. So up to the center point, it is 0.25 by 2. Just like here, up to the center point, it will be 0.25 by 2. So 3.5 plus this is 0.25 plus 4 plus 0.25 by 2, and here also 0.25 by 2. So in that way, 3.5 plus 0.25 plus 4 plus 0.25 by 2 plus 0.25 by 2, we have found out to be, it is 8 meters. So just like that, the center to center length of the short walls, these 3 are short walls. We will calculate the length of any one wall from the center of this wall to the center of this wall. This is 4. So 4 plus 0.25 by 2 plus 0.25 by 2, ultimately 4 plus 0.25 by 2 plus 0.25 by 2, ultimately it comes out to be 4.25 meters. Just like that, center to center length of the long wall, length of this wall, it will be same as this one. So this was found to be 8 meters. So the center to center length of the long wall for the veranda is also 8 meters. Just like this one, this is also 8, this is also 8, because the length of this wall and this wall is same. So this comes out to be 8 meters. Center to center length of the short walls. So these are the short walls, short wall number 1 and short wall number 2. So this is given as 0.25, 2.5. So 2.5 plus up to the center of this center and up to the center of this wall. So 2.5 plus 0.25 by 2 plus 0.25 by 2, ultimately 2.75. So this comes out to be 2.75. So in this way, we have calculated the length of the long wall and short wall for both room and the verandas separately. From these lengths, we will be able to calculate the quantities of different items using the long wall short wall method.